Good afternoon and welcome to Elite Swiss Watches. We're just going to check on model CAS 101K.BA0842, and this is a Formula 1 quartz watch from Heuer. It's non-rotating bezel on these models. As you can see, the sunray dial is reflecting the sun quite well, so it changes from a deep royal blue to kind of a azure blue on the face. And we're just going to check stopwatch, and everything works. On the date on these, it's a clockwise turn and a screwing crown to keep the water out. Just the hands. On the third click out, 2 more clicks in, apply pressure as you turn, and you screw in the crown to make it watertight again. The confusing thing about these watches is this large second-hand dial is part of the stopwatch. It's just the second, the seconds on the stopwatch. This is on the right-hand chronograph. The seconds on continuously going on the right-hand chrono. Press the top button to start the stopwatch. Hundredths of a tenth of a second at the bottom. Stopwatch seconds there. And stopwatch minutes there, up to 30 minutes. Stop again with the top button and reset with the bottom. So these are brand new. Unworn, customer cancellations. There is some Heuer warranty left on, but we give a further 2 years fresh warranty, seller warranty. It is a quick release strap, which I've already taken the strap apart because we're going to take a look inside. Let's take a look inside quickly. It's got the checkered flag. Excuse my nails. And they should have a quite a strong print in laser indentation, but it is under the plastic cover. And we're just going to check it's the correct Swiss Ronda 50/40.D movement. I've already loosened the back, and we'll pressure test afterwards, get that back on. And it's the gold plated, not the nickel plated version. See if we can get some further in there. It's very hard to keep her still. So there you have it. We'll put that together shortly. So look at the detail over in there. The raised 12 there. It's a bit too light to do the loom test. And we could do the crystal sapphire test, but trust me, that passes with flying colours. This needs a clean before it goes out to a customer. Lovely looking starter Swiss watch. Thanks for watching. Excuse the pun.